Okay, so last couple pieces of advice here. Remember that a formula with a B in it. All right, so a formula with a B in it. The B stands for area of the base. That means 2 dimensions. And it usually means area equals base times height. So it normally means you have to do a little bit of math to get the capital B. Remember, capital B, area of the base. Little b, base length, base side. All right, we've got to keep that straight. At the end of the last video, you heard me stress, hopefully if you watched it, you heard me stress about using the right formula. I'm going to say it again, okay? Use the proper formula, all right? But then after you get the proper formula, please make sure you use the right dimensions, okay? If it's a sphere or a cone, use the radius, not the diameter, okay? Make sure you use the height, not the slant height. Okay, if you just go about this volume unit by taking any numbers you see and slamming them into formulas and bashing it into the calculator and hitting enter, it's not going to go well. Okay, you're going to get some questions right. There's going to be some real basic ones, but then you're going to get a bunch of questions wrong because you're not going to check the units and you're not going to check the dimensions and you're not going to use the right formula. And then we're going to get a unit that should be super, super straightforward. Most of it, you get the formulas, you put the numbers into the formulas, and we're just going to tear it to shreds, and we're going to get 38 on an assessment because we haven't looked at any of the formulas. We don't know what they are. We don't know what the numbers go. We're not converting any units. So please, please, please practice. Use the right formulas. Pay attention to what you're doing. Pay attention to your dimensions. Make sure they're in the proper units. All right, convert if you need to. This should be a very, very nice year for everybody to get a high average.